Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a meeting on Zoom. If this is your first time using the Zoom app, this video will give you all the basics you need to get connected. There are two simple ways to join a Zoom meeting, depending on what information the host provides you. Let's start with the first, and definitely the most common method. Usually you'll receive an invite link. This link already contains the meeting ID and an encrypted password. If you get a link that looks like this, it's super simple, just click on it. Your web browser will briefly open and Zoom servers will do a quick check. If everything is valid, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to open the Zoom app installed on your computer. Just go ahead and click Allow. Next, a window will pop up allowing you to configure and test your microphone and camera settings. Once you look and sound good, click Join. At this point, depending on the host's settings, you'll either be placed in a waiting room, or if the host doesn't have that feature enabled, you'll drop straight into the meeting. Now for the second scenario, if you didn't receive a direct link, you likely received two pieces of information instead, the meeting ID and the passcode. Here is how you use them. Open up the Zoom app interface and click the Join button. Copy the meeting ID you were given and paste it right here. You can also customize your display name at this step if you'd like. Then, click Join. Next, copy the passcode and paste it in. Just like the first method, you'll either join the meeting immediately or be placed in the waiting room. If the waiting room is active, the host will get a notification that you want to join. Just hang tight and wait for them to let you in and you'll automatically connect. Alright, so that covers the two basic ways to join a Zoom meeting for beginners. Thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.